Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are planning another week in my hourly planner. Now this upcoming week is actually Valentine's Day and it's Mardi Gras here in New Orleans, but I decided to go with this Valentine's Day kit from my shop because I felt like the purple and the yellow in this kit could still represent Mardi Gras. So that's what we're going to do. If you're interested in this kit, I will have it linked in my description box. It's on my Etsy. I'm currently doing a 25% off sale in my Etsy shop. No code necessary. You could just click on the link in the description box. So we are going to start off by adding in my headers and the footers that I have with this kit. Now I love these stickers because the pink and the red along with the decor is definitely giving Valentine's Day. However, the purple and the yellow tones down the kit, so I believe that it's not too much. And then of course I could always not add all of the stickers that come with the kit if I feel like I'm overwhelming my spread. Now I was debating on if I wanted to use the headers that came with this kit or if I wanted to write in my own headers, but ultimately I decided to use just the to-do header and I'm going to write in all of the other ones. So we're going to add a couple of stickers throughout the spread just for a little bit of decor, and then we're going to start on the sidebar. Now I have been going back and forth on how I want to organize my sidebar. I like to use my sidebar as a way to highlight the different things that are happening throughout the week, but what I put here may change just based on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I will add personal habits like meals and routines and just different things that I need to do personally. Other times it will be focused in on work items. Now this week I mainly decided to use it for work items. At the very top I do have my checklist of the different things that I need to do to set up the different planners and get prepared for the week, and then after that we are going to add my YouTube videos and then my work classes that I am planning on doing this week. I do a class every other week for the Organize You, and so I want to write that down here as well. This week is Mardi Gras, so my brother and his family comes in town every single Mardi Gras. We have a tradition of hanging out around this time. We will go to a couple parades, eat, and just enjoy the time together. So that's what we're going to be doing on Lundi Gras, which is the Monday, and Mardi Gras, which is Tuesday. So I'm going to use my colorful boxes in order to write in. I do have one meeting on Monday morning, and then the rest of the day will be dedicated to just hanging out with my family. And then Tuesday, it will be all day since that's Mardi Gras Day. And so what I like to do when I am marking off a day like Mardi Gras or any type of holiday is I will use some type of decorative box in order to just kind of decorate and highlight that that's what I'm going to be doing that day and blocking off the entire day. Now Wednesday is Valentine's Day, and me and my husband decided to do a lunch date, so that's what we're going to be doing on Wednesday. And then that evening I'm going to be hanging out with our girls. So I just wanted to know, do y'all do family days on days like Valentine's Day? I do like to give my girls some type of gift and spend a little bit of time with them. Now I don't do that on like our wedding anniversary or anything like that, but when it is Valentine's Day I do usually take out some time just to hang out with them as well. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday will be jam-packed, but it starts to lighten up toward the end of the week. Thursday, my girls do have a dentist appointment, but for the rest of the week, it's kind of light, so I will be definitely diving back into catching up on work since I know I'm not going to be doing hardly any work toward the beginning of the week. So I'm going to mark off some of the things that I need to film and to do toward the end of the week in order to prepare for the very next week, and then we're just going to decorate and add a couple of more stickers throughout this spread. So I don't always love to use sticker kits, but I have enjoyed this one. I believe that I am really starting to get back into using stickers in order to enhance my spreads and make them look a little bit different from week to week. And so that's what we are doing now. I'm just using my colorful boxes in order to add in all of the little things that I need to do throughout the rest of the week. I have added in basically all of the bigger stickers. However, I still have a bunch of stickers left in this kit. I think that this is enough because I know I like like to go back in and to write in more information, more things as the week goes on. So I don't want to add too many stickers because I know that that will mess up what the spread is able to do and how much I'm able to write. So this is it for this upcoming week, and as you can see, I still have a bunch of stickers left, but I am loving the way that this spread has come out. It looks very different from last week. Last week was super neutral and this one is very colorful, but I love it. So you all let me know, are you doing anything special for Valentine's Day? I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.